I'm Eric Mattei from matteirealty.ca, and I have the home for you, 41 Whitfield Avenue. It's a beautiful bungalow here in Toronto that features a gorgeous main floor layout and a finished lower level, all on a premium lot, just steps to all the amenities you need. Let me show you the features of this home. When you enter the home, there's a covered mudroom. This used to be the front porch, and it's sealed in with some quality windows. In addition to that, there's access from the garage. So when you come home on a winter's day like we've been having lately, you can come up from the car in the garage, walk straight into the front door and not have to worry about snow when you have groceries or other things in your hands. If you love to entertain, this is ideal. There's over 60 feet of frontage here, and it's a corner. So you've got open exposure, including a south-facing yard, not to mention the covered deck that comes off of the kitchen. So in the summer, you can enjoy plenty of natural space out here outside in this large backyard. 41 Whitfield Avenue is a gorgeous bungalow that's been proudly maintained by a European family for decades. I want to show you some of the incredible features of this excellent Toronto home. If you love to entertain, the living and dining room on the main floor of this home are bathed in natural light from the picture window and have a beautiful open concept design. The kitchen is the focal point in any home for entertaining, gathering with your family for meals. This is an excellent kitchen. They're oak cabinets. You can sand and restain them and paint them as many times as you like. It's a family-sized eating kitchen with a pantry. As well, there's a walkout to a large covered porch, and it's all south-facing, so it's filled with natural light in here as well. The main floor of this home offers 3 large bedrooms and a gorgeous renovated semi-ensuite that services the primary bedroom and the other bedrooms as well. In addition to that, there's plenty of storage space with additional linen closets. There's a unique feature to this home. There's a double French door entrance to the lower level, but in addition to that, there's a walkout here to the backyard. So if you have extended family, potential for income, this area can easily be closed off, and you've got a private entrance that leads to a full basement suite. The lower level of this home has some excellent features, including very large above grade windows, which you'll see in this rec room. In addition to that, you have a beam ceiling, and I'll remind you, I'm 6'4", and there's plenty of room between me and the ceiling, so that means you've got lots of ceiling height down here. The rec room also features a gas fireplace, and it's a nice cozy space to entertain. Could also be split into a bedroom and a rec room, it's that big. If you love to entertain, or again, if you're thinking of income or have extended family, this is the lower level kitchen. I mean, it's a full family-sized eating kitchen with above grade windows, and they're south facing, so there's a beautiful amount of natural light in here. So much options for you to work with, and it doesn't feel like a lower level because it's so open and expansive. Other features of this lower level include a large utility room that can be split into other options for you, a very big laundry area with additional storage closets, as well as a large cold cellar with built-in shelving. And there's a foyer with a double closet right when you come downstairs. And in that foyer, there's a 3-piece bathroom with a shower. It's pretty much an in-law suite, self-contained, ready to go as soon as you move in, which again affords you a number of flexible options. Thank you for taking this tour of 41 Whitfield Avenue with us. You've seen the exceptional features of this home, the utilitarian options that it offers you, the flexibility with the finished lower level, and the quality of the finishes and pride of ownership over the years that this home has. All that with the location that steps to transit, shopping, and more in Toronto. What more do you want? So please, if you'd like to have a look at this home, take a look at our website, matteirealty.ca. You can also contact us at 416-557-SOLD. That's 416-557-7653. Or email me, Eric Mattei, at info@matteirealty.ca. Thank you.